Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review in an unbiased state. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of emberghee.com. So Ember Ghee is basically an online platform that provides you with a supplement capsule that is named as Ember Ghee that enhances the male performance, stamina, and even raises your testosterone naturally. So these are the bold claims that are made by this supplement on their official website, and as you can see, they said that they are approved by the FDA. But now let's dive in and find out what's actually behind those fancy promises. As you can see, they have made a bold claim of the approved by the FDA facility, but once I try to search for it on the Google, as you can see, they're saying the Ember Ghee Male Enhancement supplement is not directly approved by FDA, but it is manufactured in an FDA registered facility. So this is a moderate green signal. But now let's dive in and find out what's actually behind those fancy promises. As you can see, they have a reviews 0 and 0.0 rating, so which means no one has reviewed this on the Trustpilot, which raises concerns about the authenticity of this product. And now I have tried to dive deeper and find out on the Amazon. This product is also available on Amazon, and it provides with a 180 capsule for 3 months, and they have a rating of 2.3 out of 5, and which is based on 26 rating. So this is an average, or I would say below average rating. So in conclusion, I would say this supplement capsule is not a legit one, so you should avoid buying this because the reviews are very worst. On even the Trustpilot, this is not available, and on Amazon the reviews are, I would say, really worst. So in conclusion, you should avoid buying this product. Thank you so much for watching the video, and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.